Okay, here I have a problem over x minus 2 minus 2 and 2 over 3 equal to x plus 2, x minus 1. So x minus 2, x plus 3, copy, minus 3 over 2得6加2得8 equal x minus 1, x plus 2, copy, 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 only change these. So 3 times x minus 2, 3x plus 9 minus 8x 负得等 plus 16 equal to x plus 2 over x minus 1. So 3x minus 6 negative 5x plus 25, 16 plus 9, 25 over x minus 1, x minus 1 on the bottom plus x plus 2. Copy, 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 and this is this. Now negative 5x squared plus 25x, negative, negative, positive, plus 5x minus 25 equal to, oh, yes, 3x squared plus 6x 2得6 minus 6x minus 12 negative 5 positive 3 move to here, negative 8x squared, and this one, let me change another color, positive, negative, you are out of it, so 25, 5 plus 13x, negative 25, negative 12, move to here, negative 13 equal to 0, all time negative 1 time negative 1, so 8x squared minus 30x plus 13 equal to 0. Yes, so 8 can be divided as 2 times 4, 13, negative, negative, so 2x minus 1 times 4x minus 13 equal to 0. X is half, x is 13 over 4, bring it back in. X is half, bring half plus 3 over half minus 2 minus 2 equal half 3得6得7 negative 3 equal minus 2 3 over 2 negative 3 7 negative 3 3得6得8 equal negative 15 over 3 equal to negative 5. Now on the right side, half plus 2 over half minus 1 equal 2分之负1 2分之2的4得5 equal negative 5. So this is right. Now we try the second. X plus 3 4 over 13 over 4 plus 3 minus 2 equal to 4 13 minus 8 4 13 plus 12 equal 5 25 equal positive 5. Now let's see this one. 13 over 4 plus 2 over 13 plus over 4 minus 1 4 13 plus 8 4 13 minus 4 This is not right. How can that be? 13 minus 4 is 9 21 Oh, I forgot to minus that. That makes sense. $3,515减8，7。 Okay, on the right side, x plus 2.13+8，21，13减4，9 divided by 3. Okay, I am right.